Hello, welcome po sa lahat. Okay, so have a great day po. Kamusta po kayo? So, what we are going to discuss today is a very important matter, which is you. Okay, so not only with the one aspect, two aspects, three aspects, but all about you, all of the aspects na matutunan mo today and pwede nyo po ma-apply uh, in the near future or um, immediately. Okay, so welcome po and congratulations po for taking the chance, taking the time to watch this short presentation because this, if ma-apply nyo po ito, mababago po ang buhay mo 360 degrees. Okay, so I'm wishing all the best po na makinig, take down notes and kindly approach me after this presentation so that I can give you more info or probably I can give you details about this program. Okay, so welcome. So by the way, my name is Coach Jeff and I'll be your coach. I'll be your mind shifter po na ma-change po lahat ng aspects ng buhay mo. Okay, so congratulations and please uh, just enjoy and relax while seeing this video. Okay, so I already produced hundreds of thousands of licensed professionals by this page. Okay, so before it was PRC board success, but now it's 10x life success because life coaching and all the aspects po ng buhay, which is the 10 categories of life ay nandito na po. Kaya tinawag po siyang 10x life success. Okay, so hindi po ito recruit, hindi po ito investment, hindi po ito kung ano po iniisip nyo. Just relax because this will be the best thing that will happen into your life. Okay, this would be the most powerful and the best po na makikita mo on the market. Okay, so that's why in ahead, I congratulate you for watching this video. Okay, so I'll share you my screen. So this would be amazing. Okay, kanegosyo, this would be amazing. This would be exciting, supernatural, great. Success po ang matatanggap nyo. Bliss, blessings po. Super blessed. Shocking, this would be unparalleled. Wala pong katulad. And this would be inspire you to propel your life to the next level. So, ang 10x life success, it means na meron pong 10 categories. So careers, relationships, love, parenting, emotion, social. 4th, physical health and fitness. 5, spiritual and character. 6, intellectual mindset. 7, talents. 8, gratitude and vision. 9, experiences and service. 10 would be assets, finances, business, and money. So ito po ang 10. This 10x life success, it means 10 category po. Dapat po mag-succeed ka each and every level and each number para matawag ka pong successful. Kasi meron po nang nagsasabi, para maging successful dapat marami kang pera, dapat mas malapit ka sa Panginoon. Pero ang totoo pala, para matawag kang super successful, so successfully 100%, itong 10 categories mo dapat pong makuha. Okay? So, the good news is, bata, matanda, may ngipin o wala, mayaman ka man, mahirap ka man, brothers, Muslim brothers and sisters or Kristiyano ko man, kapag ginubaran tayo ng dapit, tumanaw tayo sa taas, lahat tayo pantay-pantay lamang. Okay? So, I repeat, lahat tayo pantay-pantay lamang. Bakit may ganito? Bakit may situation ng tao ganito? Bakit po naghihirap siya? Because nire-respeto po ng itaas kung ano po ang decision mo. Okay, speaking of pantay-pantay, di ba nabasa mo? For I know the plans I have for you to prosper you. Di ba? Jeremiah 29:11, to prosper you, not to harm you, but to give you hope and future. Meaning, gusto po sa taas, lahat tayo umasenso. Not only, it means one aspect, not only with the money, but all categories po. Good news is, itong 10F like success, this is 10 categories, ibibigay po sa inyo at ibibigay po ang sikreto starting with this one. So, as what you've seen in the this slide, ano po sa tingin nyo ang pinaka-importante? What do you think? What do you think po ang pinaka-importante? Ka-negosyo, kabayan. Probably you think, spiritual ang kailangan, health, money. What do you think po ang pinaka-importante? For me, ang pinaka-importante po is the intellectual mindset. The mindset po, mindsetting, meaning maayos na dalo ng pag-iisip or ang pag-iisip. Because kapag tama po ang mindset, lahat po ng categories ng buhay mo, from careers down to money, magiging okay, magiging tama po ang path at magiging successful. So meaning po, kapag tama po ang mindsetting natin, lahat po ng categories, mag-succeed ka po niyan. Okay? So, pwede ka ba maging successfully career kapag hindi tama ang daloy ng mindset? No. Pwede ka ba maging physically healthy pag hindi tama yung takbo ng isip mo? No. Pwede ka ba, marunong ka ba mag-manage ng iyong pera kapag kahit hindi tama yung mindset? No. So, we conclude that itong mindset na to, which is the number 6, is the most important po. Kapag makorek po yan, all the categories will flow and everything will follow. Okay? So, the first, ang pinaka-importante is mindset. The secondary is your spiritual health and money. Yung naka-red po, okay? So, that's the secondary priority. Health, spiritual, and money. But we know already that pwede mo makuha yung health kapag meron ka pong sinusunod na protocols, or probably you exercise, or probably you have good nutrition, pwede ka po maging healthy, physically fit. Pwede din po by spiritual, regardless po kung anong sekta ka, anong religion, pwede mong matutunan yan sa iyong sect or religion. Pero, probably, ang pinaka-importante, importante po ba yung assets, finances, business, and money? Most especially money. What do you think? Kabayan, kanegosyo. Pinaka-importante ay money. Why is it po ang pinaka-importante money? Kasi, um, kapag, let's say for example, pwede bang bahala saging basta loving? Hindi pwede. Pwede bang okay na? Okay na. Okay na ako sa simpleng buhay. Probably, okay sa'yo, pero what if yung family mo, your other significant others and loved ones? So, huwag tayong maging selfish. Dapat sila rin okay din yung pamumuhay nila. So, importante po yung money. Okay? So, ang pinaka-importante is mindset first. Secondary would be health, spiritual, and money. At of all those three, sa health, spiritual, and money, ang pinaka-importante po is money. Bakit po? Bakit po importante ang money? Kasi sa some would say, hindi na makakagalaw kapag wala akong pera. Pwede bang pwede ka bang magtrabaho ng libre? So hindi. Importante po ang money because money is para siyang basic commodity. Money would be your propel you to growth. Pwede sa entrepreneurship mo, pwede sa negosyo mo, o kung ano mong gagawin mo, pwede nyo pong i-barter yan. Okay? So speaking of money, ito po yung let's discuss with money, which is what are the types of income? Okay, probably you have your traditional business, probably you have your franchising, probably you have an employee or maging self-employed ka, probably you're an OFW, probably you have a freelancing, or let's say nanalo ka sa loto, anak ka artista, merong ipamana sa iyo, or probably leveraging yung ginagawa ni King Solomon, King David at Archimedes, okay, by the sacred scripture. At pwede ka rin maging investor. Okay, these are the types of income streams. So isa-isahin po natin. Sa traditional business po, let's say for example, one of the best example is sari-sari store. Or probably kung meron kang enough capital, probably 100,000 to 1M, probably you have your mini grocery. Let's say for example, it earns 30 to 100,000 per month. Multiply it by 24 months or 2 years. Congratulations! Dang, dang, dang! Meron kang 720 to 2.4 million after 24 years. 24 months, I'm sorry. 24 months to 2 years. So if you compute, how about 5 years, 10 years? So probably you have, your projected income, projected source, probably your retirement, yan po ang makukuha mo kung mag-go ka with your traditional business. Ang isa namang type of income stream is pwedeng franchising. One of the best example is, let's say for example, McDo, Jollibee, you have your Angel's Burger, so on and so, Mang Inasal. Okay? Pero those franchise need big investment capital. Let's say for example, sa Jollibee, kailangan ng 40 to 60 million, di ba? Diba? Kung McDonald's, merong 60 million. Kung 7-Eleven, you have your 7 to 10 million. Ang tanong is, meron ka ba niyan? Probably, some of you meron, pero some of the people, wala. Pero let's say for example, you have your Angel's Burger. Kumikita siya ng 100,000 per month. After 24 months or 2 years, congratulations, you have 2.4 million. So after 5 years or 10 years, you know your projected income, projected source, you know your retirement. Kung alam mo makukuha mo that one, if hindi nyo po gagastusin maski piso po. Okay, that would be your franchising. Meron ding isa, pwede ka maging empleyado or maging self-employed. What is the difference? Pag employee ka, probably let's say for example, before, um, um, nagtrabaho ko sa business process outsourcing. And let's say for example, you have your uh, um, income, which is 20,000. So probably you have your, that one is a good, kung gusto mong pasukin yung pagiging employment. Let's say for self-employed, you have your upgraded skill. Pwede ka maging abogado or doktor. Probably mas higher skill, mas malaki rin kikitain mo. Let's say for example, 20,000 per month. Multiply by 24 months or 2 years, you have your 480,000. So you know already your projected source, projected income for after 5 years or 10 years, you know retirement. And based po sa studies, based on the records po ng Social Security System, SSS, only 2% lamang po ang financially free, financially literate. And 50, more or less 50% po ang nagdidepende pa rin sa government or sa relatives. Okay, you can check the records po. Okay, so pwede yan kung pumasok ka sa employee or self-employed. How about OFW abroad professional? Let's say for example, for my classmates, kasi ako, I'm a registered nurse. So most of my classmates already in the New Zealand, US, Europe, they're earning probably more or less 200,000 per month. Some would say less, some would say more. It depends po kung na-rank and file ka rin doon. Let's say for example po, kumikita ka, let's say seaman, 200,000 per month times 24 months, 2 years, you have your very good 4 million pesos. How about 5 years, 10 years? So probably you have that amount, decent amount. That's why may sasakyan na sila, may bahay na sila, may pundar na sila. Pero you know, kabayan, kanegosyo, you know the horror stories of our OFWs. Kung alam mo lang, maybe na nakikita natin sa Facebook, okay sila, pero probably they have 3 jobs. 'Di ba? Iba-ibang trabaho. So, hindi po madali ang pagiging OFW. Pero kung gusto mo yung pasukin yan, it's up to you. Okay? So, meron ding Lotto, artist, sports. Pwede pong nanalo ka sa Lotto, one time, big time. Pwede rin anak ka ng artista or anak ka ng Olympian or may piyamana sa iyo. Let's say for example, kumikita ka while investing already 1 million per month. Multiply by 24 months, you have your 24 million pesos after 2 years. How about 5 years or 10 years? So multiply that one. You already know your projected income, projected source, and that would be your retirement, which is very good. Pero alam naman po natin, hindi naman tayo siniswerte mananalo always with 6-digit lotto or anak tayo ng artista or may pamana sa atin or may, it depends po, pero I think you are one of this category. Okay? Well and good. Okay? Meron din pong leverage web online. Ang leverage web online, ito po yung ginagamit ni King Solomon, King David, Archimedes po sa biblical sacred scripture. Let's say for example, 50 centavos multiply by 2 every month. So let's say for example, 50 cents multiply by 2, 1 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 2, 4 multiply by 2, 8, 16, 32, 64, until 24 months to 2 years, you have your 8 million pesos. Okay? So because it is leveraging, compounding with interest. So how about 5 years or 10 years? So you know already your projected income, projected source, you know your retirement. And good news, multiply by 2 and so on and so forth. That would be your leveraging type of business. Okay? One of the example is multi-level marketing, network marketing, and other networking services. Yan po ang way. Meron din isang type of income which is ito, in the fourth quadrant, which is yung investor. 'Di ba? Kapag sinabing businessman ka, entrepreneurship ka, you have your system and you earn. That would be in the third quadrant. By having to be an investor, you are being in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means the money works for you. The money produces, yields, excrete more money. Okay, let's say for example, this amount after 24 months or 2 years, you have your substantial bigger returns. So, depends po kung ano pong pinapasok nyo. As long as you are an investor, that would be a good thing because money works for you. Money produces money. Money yields more money. So, after 5 years, 10 years, mataas na po yan. Since you have substantial amount in the bank, you have substantial amount. Maybe you have gold, silver, or whatever assets that you have, finances, businesses. Probably you can be an investor. Probably you're angel investor. You have your crowdfunding. So that would be the case. Okay? So the question lamang po is, why are you working so hard? Bakit ka po? Ano po ang rason? Bakit ka po nagtatrabaho ng maayos? Para kanino ka bumabangon? Probably you're working with your family para may ibigay sa anak, para may magandang future ang iyong uh, yung mga anak. Okay? So, what is your current or preferred streams of income? Sa nakita nyo po, alon po ang pinaka the best or para sa inyo po na streams of income? Traditional business, franchise, pagiging self or self-employed, maging abroad, freelancing, or probably you can be may pamana or leveraging or investor. So, between these streams of income, regards to one aspect which is number 10, which is assets, finances, businesses, and money, yan po ang nakapalaan. Bakit po nagsasabi tayo ng about pera, kwarta, money? Because these are important. Next to mindset. Ano yung pinakauna? Mindset. Secondary is health, spiritual, and money. But of all the three, pinaka-importante ang money because that would be your basic commodity, that would be that propel you to growth. Kasi yung health, pwede mang matutunan along the way with our tutorials. The spiritual, we can do this para mas mapalapit tayo sa Kanya. Okay, so streams of income, saan nyo po yung gusto? Okay, so yan. You already have these streams of income, pwede po. The good news is, since nandito ka ngayon, napanood mo ito, narinig mo ito, pwede na mong ituro lahat itong streams of income from traditional franchising, other source of income like leveraging, and most especially one of the best is pagiging investor. So let's say for example, as an investor, eto. So, meron po kaming ibibigay na systems. Because if you have systems, if you have leverages, if you have this type of tool, protocol, magsasucceed ka sa buhay. Okay? Regardless po ano pong pinapasok nyo, if you have the systems and leveraging, meron ka pong good na para sa iyong tinatahak dito sa mundo. Okay, so good news, meron po kami ibibigay na 30 days real estate training. Bakit po real estate? Because it aligns with this pagiging investor. Bakit real estate? Of all the assets, ito po ay appreciating. Secondary, which is yung gold and silver or oil. Okay, so we have the 30 days real estate training. And also, we will give you 2 years tutorial tuition worth 1 million pesos. Within 2 years, mag-aaral ka po all about types of real estate. For example, Airbnbs. Ito, one of the main component natin. Protocols natin is Airbnbs, rental properties, land, titles, and deeds. And we have so on and so forth. We have resorts, recreations, and condominiums and housing. So, under the 30 days real estate training, you have free retirement plan. Meron pong magandang nag-aantay po sa inyo along the way. Kahit buhay ka pa, meron ka pong makukuha. And we give you free secrets in life and other 10 categories. Itong 10 categories po ito is we will give you the secret kung paano maging successful sa all aspect ng buhay, which is this 10 categories. Okay? So, we will also give free personality development, not just an ordinary personality development, but 10 times personality development. And the best is we will give you free energy, vibration, and manifestation. Kahit na wala na po itong training, and this tutorial, and this all categories po, kapag meron ka pong energy, vibration, and manifestation, ibibigay po namin yan. Okay? So, yan. Eto, in regard, since we're talking about investing, ang pinaka-importante is one of ways para makapagsimula is capital investment. Since this is just not a normal investment, but we will give you the if pwede po magiging staggered basis po siya, and as long as you do these four-way systems, you will receive 1% lifetime. And the good news is with bonuses system. So sa four-way system, isang marireceive mo is 1% lifetime. Kahit hindi mo siya kalakihan, but when it say lifetime, until you die, you will receive the 1% plus bonuses, compounding interest. Okay? So you will also receive the 300% capital returns twice or thrice with your capital plus interest after mabenta po yung unit. So, as of the moment, we have the Airbnbs, we have the condominiums, recreations and resorts. Pwede ka pong maka-sit in at maka-start na inyong napakagandang opportunity. So, with your capital, let's say for example, 1 million pesos realty capital, investment capital, it will, after masold po ang unit, after, let's say for example, after 5 years or 10 years, it would sold twice or thrice, yung capital nyo po is mababalik po twice or thrice. Okay? Pag ma-sold po siya. Okay? The third one, way of system, is the first trillion-dollar energy, vibration, and manifestation system. This is just not just an ordinary training. This is, di ba, you know already that hindi pa, I think meron ng almost nakaabot ng first trillion dollar, first trillion, first dollar trillionaire. But I think wala pa, mostly billion dollars pa. Pero dito po, you will experience, you will, paano nyo po ma-feel ang isang first trillion dollar using the energy, vibration, and manifestation system. You will see gold and silver around the world. You will manifest all the currencies, each and every country. You will experience abundance, prosperity, and you have more that you will receive in life. And bonus na po yung 10 categories of your life. Ang pinaka-importante is the energy, vibration, and manifestation, because you will energize, vibrate, and manifest the good things, the abundance, the prosperity, the wealth coming to you with ease and grace. Okay? So the fourth one system is the investor circle annual profit sharing. So every year, at the end of the year, you have, or at the end of the year, or every first month of the year, we will have their annual profit sharing system. Okay? So depende po kung ilan po ang na-sales, most especially ilan ang lumabas sa income tax return, ilan po ang lumabas sa mga uh, uh, with your capitalization, and also the earnings and the kita ng buong company with the corporation. Meron po tayong annual profit sharing na matatanggap every year annually. So the four-way system, you have your 1% lifetime bonus, 300% capital returns, and you have your first trillion-dollar energy, vibration, manifestation, and you have your investor circle annual profit sharing with a limited capitalization of only 1 million pesos. Maliit lang po yan kapag nagnenegosyo ka into real estate. Let's say for example, in my condominiums, in my Airbnbs, dapat capital yan is around 6 to 10 million, pero dito po 1 million, because we will give you the chance na mag-earn po in the Airbnb, in the condominiums, and all the properties na naka-align po sa inyo. So it's only 1 million pesos investment capital, but not just an ordinary investment, because you will receive the first trillion-dollar energy, vibration, and manifestation. And the bonus is you have your 10x life success, the 10 categories of your life. Magiging succeed ka, magiging abundant ka, from careers down to money. Okay? And the good thing is, the biggest catch is, your capital, you will receive your capital twice or thrice kapag na-sold po yung unit. So that's our system. Okay? So, hindi po to siya investment. This is the biggest that will turn around of your life. It will manifest you slowly but surely, and you will access all the goodness, all the success, all the categories of your life, not only with your assets, finances, businesses, and money. It will propel you to greater heights. One of the best, extraordinary, and the best po na magiging mangyayari po sa inyo with the amount capital of 1M pesos only. Okay? Malaki ba? More than ba ang marireceive mo? Yes, because you will receive the 10 categories of your life, then you have your all income streams, okay? Then you will have the first $1 trillion energy vibration and manifestation system, and you will have your investors annual profit sharing. Malaki po ang marireceive nyo, more than pa sa binayad nyo, at mababago mo pa yung buhay mo starting from you until the next generations to come, and with your sons and daughters. So with that, I will congratulate you kasi natapos nyo po yung uh, presentation. Okay? So, yan. Yan po ang mangyayari sa inyo. So, all of those things, marireceive nyo po at mangyayari po sa buhay nyo if you start now. So, I would suggest, start immediately, not with the full amount. Just, we can do the staggered basis. You can have your 250, let's say for example, 1/4. You have your 500,000 or whatever amount that you would start. Pero kapag na-comply nyo po, na-full nyo po, siya ka pa yung four-way system nyo po, yan po mag-start yung bonuses, earnings, and all the good things that will happen into your life. Okay? So, mangyayari po yan. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Start immediately, and you will experience how great, how magnificent your life is. With the 10x life success, with my company and the corporation, we will give you what you really desire, what you really hope for, and what's the best for you. And the biggest catch is na kahit wala po sa apat na four-way system, pwede ka pong magstay sa ating condominium, sa ating properties. Let's say, we can negotiate kung ilang days ka po mag-stay doon for free, including your family. Okay, so congratulations ahead. I hope mag-message ka after this one, and after this one, it will reflect my email or my number. Call me immediately and start immediately, because wala nang patupik-tuping wag bang pagtutupik-tumpik. Congratulations for only 1 million pesos. God bless you.